So, are you thinking about moving to San Antonio, Texas? Thinking about purchasing a new construction home? In this video, I am going to tour a beautiful model from Beazer Homes here in Universal City, Texas. If this is your first time to this channel and you want to know everything about living here in San Antonio, Texas, then subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to know about the current market here in San Antonio. Hi, my name is Christina Carr with the Carr Group at eXp Realty. I get calls and emails from people just like you looking for help on making their move to San Antonio, and I absolutely adore it. Whether you're moving in 9 days, 30 days, or 90 days, give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email. All of the information is in the description below, so I can help you make an effortless transition to San Antonio. The model home I am touring is the Madrid 3 floor plan here in the community of Cibolo Crossing. This particular floor plan is 3,238 square feet with 4 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms. Some other features include a tankless water heater, double ovens with gas cooking, great for those big holidays, wet bar, and a dry bar upstairs. The community is located in Universal City, Texas. It features a variety of floor plans starting in the $460,000 range. There are greenbelt homes available, and it is adjacent to the Cibolo Creek nature trails. Plenty of greenery. Cibolo Crossing is close to major highways. You have 35 in both loops, 410 and 1604. You also have 3 different driving routes that range from 11 minutes to 13 minutes to get you to Randolph Air Force Base. Cibolo Crossing is also a short 6-minute drive to the Forum where there is plenty of shopping for everyone. Again, if you're getting ready to relocate, I am here to assist you in any way possible. So reach out, but before you go, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification button. In the comments below, let me know your thoughts on this model home. Hope you love it.